are going to love the 2015 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front wheel drive, power windows, CD player, child safety locks, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.